as far as the S&P goes, we sold off a little bit at the end of the day. Overall, kind of a nothing day. For me, it was red because I'm short the Russell, and I'm short Tesla. But I'm long Palantir, so I think that was good. As long as, real quick, did I have a green day? I've had better. So probably still red because I'm in puts on the Russell and Tesla. But when I saw it was way up here. I was like, yeah, I'm just going to try to figure out this internet thing. I'm red, kind of risking capital. I'm kind of just not going to let, Monday shake me out. So that's kind of where I'm at. Seeing that sell-off, though, I'm curious just how much. Why was this so indecisive? This is what has me thrown through a little bit of a loop. Green Monday, so be it. We sold off, but then we bought right back up. So this kind of has me. Where do we stand with that? And I don't know if as a trader I'm supposed to have an answer, but all this, the only answer I can give you is that's indecisive. Pick is thinking we should be headed south. He's just a perma bear. Everyone else is thinking this is where we should be. Right now we're smack dab in the middle. We did a whole lot and nothing. I'm sure Cody got in and out of some trades and ultimately nowhere. So this today probably chopped up quite a few people, which it wouldn't surprise me. I gotta say, I'm taking that a little bit more bearish though. We talked about buying the dip yesterday. We did break out up, but it just didn't get we tried and then it came back down. That to me, it just shows weakness. I 100% forgot the weekly expected moves. Steve, if you're watching this, I might have to lean on you for that. How did I forget to do the expected moves? NASDAQ, same story. Started to break above, kind of faked everyone out. This whole day, fake out is something I should have used at the beginning of the stream. Didn't really break this. We didn't make any new lows. We sold off and tried, but then just bounced right back up. So it looks like weakness, but it also looks like somebody was there saying, no, we need to buy this up. So let's see where this game of tug of war ends. Right now, enjoy the chop. Enjoy the volatility because it's awesome. And by enjoy it, I mean please don't get cut up. If you have to sit out a whole day or 2 days, that's literally nothing. There's a lot of money to be made just inside this range. But at the same time, just imagine how many days can we get like this, ultimately breaking above here. You wouldn't want to buy right here, hoping for the breakout because then we might just run out of energy. But I guess pick your stance, bullish or bearish, but your signal that you're right is going to be breaking these wicks. As far as the Russell goes, appreciate that. Yeah. So I was short zone play, and then we just kind of sent it all the way up here. So are we even on the – yeah, okay, on these standards. Come on. Even the RSIs over by – guys, we should be melting this thing down. I will say, guys, while I'm still in my short position, and I actually would still catch the knife on this and go short, I think getting above this zone is at least the warning shot of, hey, we're ready. Maybe I make some money back. Maybe I go to break even, smaller loss. If we sell off tomorrow, it would be just part of expectations. We break this thing down, and then I probably would exit. Rejecting from here, I think we're headed down here. Rejecting from up here, probably just a pullback to gear that thing up for even further up. So if we do reject, let's just see where the red goes in case this does continue to head south. The Russell can sell off. It's not the S&P, okay? That red candle can be followed by another red one pretty promptly.